This is good. Wow.
Ini kecil. Biasa besar. Ini paling kecil lah ni.
How much? How much?
Very kecil.
Oh, tapos ito yung aalis, ang peri? Ano?
Dia ada very big.
Yeah.
Wow! Saan tayo sa time
Wow.
Padalang peri. Nakasakay na nga tayo eh.
Oo, nakasakay na tayo. Tapos pupunta tayo ng Hello! What's up, mga kawawa? We are in the ferry going to Samila Beach. You see? This is our car. This is our car. And we are riding the ferry. Okay, we are just waiting to board. Okay? You see? Wow, this is good. You see, that's the ferry. Okay? Wow, this is good. Thank you. It's the ferry. Okay. So, ayan. Nandito kami ngayon. Papunta kami ng ferry. Actually, itong mga car na to, mukha kaming nasa
Sudah sampai?
Ya, sudah sampai.
Hah? Tadi dari tadi sudah jalan?
Sudah jalan.
Tapi kok tak terasa?
pero
Ya.
nasa dagat kami.
Hmm.
Yan. So, ayan. So, we are going to the ferry now. Okay.
Ang taba ng utak nila.
Yan. So, we are now going to the ferry.
Sini dulu. Lagi kita pergi Semilabis. Kita pergi
Silang Danau.
Semilabis sana. Ini
Okay, we are here in...
I put signal go there.
Yeah, this is somewhere in...
From this?
Yeah. This is somewhere in Thailand. I don't know where is this, but this is in Old Town Songkhla.
This one what?
I don't know how to read that.
Okay, everyone, be calm, okay?
Okay, okay.
But I don't know this location name. Just only follow. Take picture, then happy.
Yes. So we are here in Manila Bay Esplanade. Yeah. Uy, yung Manila Bay sa Pilipinas, like, yung Pasig River, ganito na. Kaya hindi na natin ma-underestimate yun. So, yeah. Mas mahinam talaga si Isko nakaupo sa ano eh. So, this is one of the...
Ano dito? Anong pangalan dito?
I don't know. Okay, you see that? You see? What a beautiful view. So we are now going to the one of the highlights of this place. So that's one of the highlights of this place. So beautiful. Very beautiful. You see that? See? This is what they say because it's like Singapore, because in Singapore they have Merlion. Yeah. So this is it. Yeah. Singapore. But here, I don't know what they call of this. Looks like the Merlion, Singapore. Okay.